This is Fagus sylvatica Dawyck Purple. It's a fastigiate or narrow columnar form of the European beech Fagus sylvatica. Rich dark black purple foliage. As you can see, really narrow compact habit. That tree, even though it's not as tall as the tulip tree next to it, has got up to 10 metres, 12 metres at least, maybe a bit more. In 45 years, I guess. It's beautiful, rich, sort of almost black purple foliage in the spring when it comes out, and we're right on the cusp, a couple of days from summer, and it's holding that colour, and it will hold the colour probably not quite as bright as when it comes out in the spring, but it holds this dark, rich purple colour all the way through till autumn, and then you'll get bright red and purple autumn colours. So a beautiful form of the European beech. There's a gold form of this and a green form of this. Fagus sylvatica Dawyck Purple is this one. Then you've got Fagus sylvatica Dawyck Gold, which is the gold narrow form, and then you've got Fagus sylvatica Dawyck, which is just the green form. So three different fastigiate, which only means narrow or columnar form of the European beech. European beech basically are cool climate plants. They don't want to be in hot, dry, arid locations generally, so keep that in mind when you're planting one. If you're going to plant it down in Melbourne or anywhere where it's a little warmer or drier, keep in mind that you'd want to be in an established garden facing south with protection from bigger trees, and also have the ability to give it extra water in summer as required. So generally speaking, if you don't have those conditions, you'd grow it in a little more cooler zones and give it a little bit more attention to detail. But otherwise, easy to grow in the right location, and a beautiful tree, and not quite as domineering as the straight European beech, which is a much bigger tree and it will take up a huge amount of space in time. So this tree is quite good because it's got this nice narrow slender appearance, which is also a nice feature with that dark rich purple as a bit of a beautiful contrast with other colours. As you can see, you've got gold beside it there and greens, so it really does mix up the landscape and the view on the horizon, just being able to mix up these colours in the landscape.